Hello and welcome to the Vector Garden YouTube channel. My name is Monika and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a very special star in Illustrator. So for this you use the star tool that you can find under the rectangle tool down here. And when you use Illustrator's shape tools, you can use a couple of keystrokes to achieve a special look. For instance, as long as the mouse is still down or you press the touchpad or whatever you use to create the star, as long as this is still active, you can choose the arrow keys and then you get more spokes on your star, or fewer. And you can also press the Command key or Control on Windows to edit the length of the spokes. And of course you can press Shift to align the star horizontally. Now, in order to create the special star, what you do is you press the down arrow until you get the three-pointed star, which is this one. You cannot get fewer points. And then what you do is press Command, Option and arrow down on the Mac, or Control, Alt and arrow down on Windows. And then you have the special star. You can only see it when you now change the number of spokes by pressing the arrow keys again. You see the lines cross each other now. So I'm going to leave up the touchpad and there we have the star. You will sometimes see some strange rendering of this because of Illustrator's GPU rendering. We can change that and, well, it looks okay here, but you will see it when you have it. So this thing can be further changed when you now apply rounded corners with Effect, Stylize Rounded Corners. And then let's apply that here. And you see we've got rounded corners on this. And because there are no inner corners, only outer ones and the lines, you have only rounded the points of the star. In order to get rid of all these inside crossings, what you do is apply Effect, Pathfinder, Unite. You dismiss the warning, and there we have the special star. We still cannot change the number of points now that the star is there. You can only change the number of points as long as you have the mouse down. So, of course, now you want to get rid of these cross lines and the special star, and in order to do that, you could restart Illustrator, but we don't want to do that. So in order to get rid of it, you press Command, Option and arrow down, or on Windows, Control, Alt and arrow down, and then it's gone. You see, when I now change the number of spokes, it's gone. So that's how you create the very special star in Illustrator. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.